case, and the drills, buy one get one free. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, my subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Basically, it's very simple. These tools are pretty much solid, guys. These are top of the line tools. Yes, they are contractor grade. I know they're fairly new. The only downside on these is that, you know, their tool numbers are limited, but they say that, you know, this year they're gonna have more tools. So they are, you know, they're trying to get up there with the yellow and the red and the blue, basically. All right, so we got the 2 combo kit. This is 24 volts brushless combo kit with the soft case, 2 batteries, included charger. This one's $349. You do get a free gift with purchase. So on this one, let's see here, you can choose from the radio or the battery. So I would definitely choose the radio over this battery. Obviously the price, unless you really do need the battery, right? But yeah, the radio definitely is the best purchase with this. So yeah, $349, basically $100 a piece. It works good. You're getting two big. You're getting a 2.5 and a 5 amp hour battery and three tools basically. So that's a good deal on that one. Solid deal. You know, they do have a solid warranty. So I don't know if they're still doing the founder's warranty, but I know they have a 5-year warranty on the tools. So this is the impact driver. I personally do have, not this one, but I do have the top of the line, the one that's quick eject. It's really nice. It is a little big and bulky and heavy. What's kind of compared to the other ones, just a little bigger. But it is a lot of power. It's a powerhouse basically. This one and the drill. So yeah, this one's the Flex 24 volt 1/4 inch variable speed brushless cordless impact driver with 2 batteries. This one you're getting 2.5s. Guys, these chargers are really fast. Yes, they're one of the fastest in the mostly on all the platforms here, and they do offer a faster charger than this one. So this one does have a fan, so it is air cooled when you're charging your batteries. All right, so enough of that. So this one's $199. It's gonna get you that free radio, or it's gonna get you that free 2 amp hour. So killer deal on those. They did lower the price on the drill for $179, but they don't have the free tool with purchase. On that one, they might have it at the store, guys. They do, I believe they do still have it at the store. The buy one get one free. So make sure you guys check out the store for, you know, wider range of buy one get one frees. Other than that, they did drop the price on this one. This is the half an inch impact wrench. This is battery included. This is, I believe, I don't know if this is the new battery or not, but they did drop the price from $299 down to $219. So this is a solid deal, guys. This is a solid deal. It does have the shock, kind of like a shock absorber, you know, so you can not feel all the mechanism that's, you know, the hammering mechanism that's going getting that lug nut off and all that stuff. So other than that, pretty much everything's simple. You do get another one here. This is the 4-tool combo kit with the free gift. Let's just click on it and see what we see. Pretty much the same thing. Yep, same thing. This is a nice deal. This is actually not a bad deal. You are getting, for $400, you are getting 4 tools, including this radio and the lights, if you want to count that as so 5 different tools if you want to count that. You are getting two 2.5s though. On this one, you're not getting a big battery. You're just getting two smaller batteries. It's enough though to power this. Trust me, it's enough to power that. But out of all these tools, I would definitely go for this one. This one's the one that I want to get. I heard nothing but good things about this one. It does have the orbital option here if you guys look at here. So definitely recommend this brand for you guys. Also, let's see here. You got the angle grinder. They did drop the price for the angle grinder. Let's see what else we have. No, nothing. Alright. So next one down. I believe BCG Construction made a video, so big shout out to them. And also big shout out to Deal Team 6. I know they're just crazy with all these deals and all that. Yes, this one dropped down to from $400, it dropped down to $232. But if you guys see, the price on this one's $299, right? $299 for the 3-piece storage system. But if you guys look at this, it's $232 and you're getting 5 boxes. However, there's one downside about this one. I believe the large toolbox, this one, the large toolbox, is already sold out online. And then again, it's not. Hold on a second. It says add 5 items to cart. $363. See, I'm not seeing the discounts. Online, you're getting this for like around $89, and this one you're getting it for cheaper. I'm just gonna add it to the cart. All right, I was gonna go ahead and add it to the cart, see what it says, because it's error. We're unable to add this item to currently unavailable from your store selected. Please add this item at your store. Yeah, somehow it's not working, guys. Double check your stores, guys, because there's like a glitch going on where this one drops down to $89 and this one drops down even more. This one's the one that's already sold out. I don't know why they say it's available though. But yeah, definitely check this one out. And I believe you don't have to add all these boxes in there. You can add, mix and match, add this one and this one and this one, or this 2 or whatever, and you're still gonna get the try it online, try it on the computer, and try it at the app, try it at the the browser. There's different glitches that you can do. I was gonna go ahead and publish this as soon as possible. So guys, that's it for today. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section to both of these deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.